How to use a variable inside a regular expression? I'd like to use a variable inside a regex. How can I do this in Python?
From Python 3.6 on, you can also use literal string interpolation, f-strings. In your particular case, the solution would be edit. Since there have been some questions in the comment on how to deal with special characters, I'd like to extend my answer. Raw strings are one of the main concepts you have to understand when dealing with special characters in regular expressions is to distinguish between string literals and the regular expression itself. It is very well explained here. In short, let's say instead of finding a word boundary \b after texto, you want to match the string \boundary. You have to write This only works because we are using a raw string. The regex is preceded by r, otherwise we must write \boundary in the regex, 4 backslashes. Additionally, without \r, \b would not convert it to a word boundary anymore but to a backspace. Re.escape basically puts a backslash in front of any special character. Hence, if you expect a special character in texto, you need to write Note: for any version is greater than or equal to Python 3.7. %, column, equals, @ and are not escaped. Only special characters with meaning in a regex are still escaped. Underscore is not escaped since Python 3.3. Here. Curly braces. If you want to use quantifiers within the regular expression using f-strings, you have to use double curly braces. Let's say you want to match texto followed by exactly 2 digits.
You have to build the regex as a string. Note the use of re.escape so that if your text has special characters, they won't be interpreted as such.
This will insert what is in texto into the regex as a string.
If you want it similar, please consider subscribing.